Say it ain't snow, Jess. Yep, you're looking at the first snow of the season, at least snow that was caught on video. It was sent to us by the Sunday River Resort in Newry, but don't start waxing those skis just yet. Sunday River is still finalizing its opening date. It says crews will start making snow as soon as it's cold enough for long enough. Yikes.
We're not there. We're not there yet.
Not there yet.
No.
And in the meantime, the next several hours, we're talking wind and rain.
Yeah, we are. And it is a nor'easter that's coming. We were just talking about this. It's not a snowy nor'easter, which I think most people are okay with at this point, but we are going to have winds from the northeast, and that is what defines a nor'easter. So let's take a look at the temperatures out there right now. We'll start with where we are now, and then we'll talk about where we're going. 44 right now in Portland, 44 in Augusta as well. Lewiston's at 42. Temperatures have been pretty much like this throughout the day today. 45 currently in Bangor. We do have some clouds around, not a lot going on right now in the rain department. However, it is on the way. You can see off to the south, plenty of rain, some thunderstorms too off the coast of Massachusetts here. Could see a rumble of thunder or two overnight and into the day tomorrow. Other than that, more rain is on the way. Some of us are going to see significant rainfall totals, especially into parts of southern Maine. So let's go through the timeline here and talk about what to expect as far as the rain goes, and then we'll get to the wind situation as well. So overnight tonight into tomorrow, we'll start to see some of those heavy rain bands move onshore. Again, we could have a rumble of thunder or two embedded in there. Don't be surprised by that. Through the early morning hours tomorrow, mainly just some fairly scattered showers. It's once we get into tomorrow afternoon and really tomorrow evening and then through the overnight hours into the day on Wednesday, that's when we'll start to see the heaviest rainfall totals again, mainly into southern Maine and coastal Maine. That's where we'll see the heaviest, steadiest rain through the overnight hours Tuesday into early Wednesday. You see it's still falling. So that was 10 p.m. on Tuesday through now 7 a.m. on Wednesday. We're still seeing that rain falling in some pockets of some moderate to heavy rainfall in there as well. Now, eventually on Wednesday, things are going to clear out. We may even get a little bit of sunshine before the sun sets, and things Thursday and Friday definitely looking much better as far as sky conditions go. As far as rainfall totals, something like this 1 to 2-ish in the purple, more like 2 to 4 from about Portland south. York County, especially closest to the coast, 3 to 4 inch rainfall totals. Definitely possible. Now, that's not the only concern, though. The wind really becoming a concern now. Latest model guidance has those wind gusts up even a little bit higher. So that along the coast, as we go through Tuesday night and into early Wednesday, we could potentially see wind gusts between about 45 up to 50, maybe even a little bit higher than that. Usually we subtract about 5 miles an hour or so from this guidance. It's just that guidance. So once we get into that 50 to 55 mile an hour wind gust range, that's when we start to become concerned about power outages. So not ideal. Best thing to do, definitely get prepared, especially if you're along the York County coast. I think unfortunately that's where the best chance of those very strong gusty winds will be. Rain forecast 4 to 6 tomorrow, 6 to 9 by tomorrow afternoon. Those winds will gust again 40 to 50 knots once we get into tomorrow night and through the overnight hours into early Wednesday. So please be careful there. Again, tomorrow that rain really picks up, heaviest along the coast, especially as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Wind picks up about that same time frame. Once we get those really heavy downpours, that's when we'll see those strong wind gusts. Unfortunately, it looks like it'll mainly be through the overnight hours. So some of us could be waking up to no power on Wednesday morning. We will clear out though. Good news there. More sunshine for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures able to warm up at least a little bit more too as we head into the end of the week. More not so great news is that the weekend looks rainy, at least for the first half. It does look like things clear up for Halloween, so that's good. But I would definitely be prepared for power outages. Right now, we're not expecting this to be like a widespread outage situation, but
doesn't hurt to get the batteries, the generator going, that
Keep
sort
the
of thing.
phones charged tomorrow too.
Awesome. Thanks, Jess.
Thanks.